Hi, I'm Jaytin, CEO of Avalanche Computing.
Hello everyone, I am Fancy, co-founder and the CEO of Avalanche Computing. Our company provides an offline and secure agentic AI platform for the enterprise who cannot use online AI service. Now, every AI agent can securely running on the tiny edge computing box, and it's provided fully risk control and compliance feature.
This year, our product is Asina Shared, and right now we support to the NVIDIA Nemo Cloud. So, combined to our original compliance-ready function, right now we can let your company, your enterprise, can use secure and offline compliance-ready agent in-house. So we also introduced several agent application on our software platform. So in the future, every enterprise, they don't need to scale about the data leak out to the internet, and also can meet their regulation and the compliance.